grow up picking prawns, riding horseback in the mountain. I still live Waihole Valley, Kahalu'u, no more electricity.
Not if it keeps raining out there.
No more electricity where it came from. This morning I thought I put Visine in my eye, was doodle drops. I cannot even give stink eye anymore. Let me see. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, taking us there, you remember Olomana, and here he is. Put your hands together for the one and only, Jerry Santos!
If you came and stayed a while, lapping in the waters of a clear mountain stream, and looking into your eyes, I thought I saw my dream. Knocking till you blow my love to my side. I'll be riding like a seabird on the tide. Oh, travel far and wide, my friend, I know it won't be long until you find words to write your own sweet song. Oh, look into the eyes of those you want to see, and reach out for every hand that calls you to be free, until you find your answers. I will wait for you, my friend, gliding like a seabird in the wind, gliding like a seabird in the wind. The whisper of the wind, a gentle-hearted songbird on the wing. Somehow I feel you softly, feel your heart in mine. The thoughts I have are only you, my home. are changing in an endless life, in an endless well. No one else can help him but himself. It takes the problems of the world, lays them on his shoulders. It turns around and calls them all his own. He couldn't get it quite together, understanding change. They couldn't live amongst the city gates. So we hopped onto a boat and they said so far away. The brother's never here to show his pain. Turn back the hands of time, try to find the answers. You will see that he's been doing this forever. All the stars on his broken heart never be the same. I guess that's just the way his life will go. Well, no one else can help him but himself. No one else can help him but himself. Our souls, we must search our very, 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 very souls for the light. I'm looking for a liar, I'm looking for a liar. Hush my darling, don't fear my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. My darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, looking for a lion, I'm looking for a lion. Looking in you for a lion. I'm looking for a lion, I'm looking for a lion. We're sailing the same, looking for a brand new start. And we sail and we sail, sing and we sing. Of songs are songs that I got to create with my friend Robert Beaumont many years ago when this young man wasn't even born yet. So thank you, Jesus, that he loves this music as well. Folks, Mr. Kamuela Kimokeo from the group Pi'ikua over here joining me on guitar tonight. Having that segment from Rap Replinger right before we played took me back in the day, if you will, when Olomana and Rap Replinger were co-billed at the Ala Moana Hotel. We shared a showroom 5 nights a week, and for many, many months we all had a chance to be together. I loved rap very much, but it was one of those times when we were young and we used to do things to each other. Every night he would do that Maria Lani sketch and we would hide his chicken. He would start to do the sketch and reach for the chicken and it wasn't there. You know, that man was so brilliant. Every night he found some way to make a story about why the chicken was somewhere it shouldn't have been. Henry Kapono and his wife and all of their staff really deserve a big mahalo for throwing this kind of a party, for letting us come and share our songs and stories, and most of all for being backstage and getting a chance to hang out with each other and remembering when for ourselves. Henry and I go back to a time before I was in a group called Olomana, before he was Cecilia and Kapono. We grew up cutting our teeth on music down on the strip in Waikiki. I was at Gauguin's, Henry was down the street at Jay Z's Cafe. So it's been gosh, more than 30 years that we've had a chance to share each other's stories. When we were younger, but I fear you won't be like I left you. Miki aloha ku e o kaharu. I remember days when we were wiser, in a world was small enough for me, and you have lingered there, my sister, and I no longer can see. Last night I dreamt I was returning. In my heart called out to you, but I fear I am not as I left you. Ki aloha ku homu kaharu. Change is a strange thing, it cannot be denied. It can help you find yourself or make you lose your pride. Move with its runner is on the road we go. Please do not hold on to me, they all must go alone. I remember days when we were sliding, when we laughed and sang all night long, and I would greet you as I find you, my friend, with the sharing of the brandy song. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart poured out to you, to please accept me as you'll find me. Miki aloha ku me o kaharu. Miki aloha ku me